Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this gingerbread outfit on Dress to Impress. I did use some VIP items, so that's worth noting. Let's get started with the video. Just going to remove everything that I have on except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is just the hair and the bow. Grab this hair and I just colored it this color in no bangs. Position the Y to 0.42, Z 0.55, rotate the X to 0.52. Grab this hair in default in the same color, no adjustments made. Grab this bow from Codes, I think, in red and in silk. Position the Z to 0.26, rotate the X to 0.47, and that's it. I'm just going to quickly grab some stuff here. I used this in this light color in matte for all of it. And then I used these gloves in this dark brown color for D2F1E in leather, and then colored the second one this color. For the shoes, I used these shoes in this brown. I think I did this in leather. So let's do that, and then the light parts in this same color. And then for the dress, I used this dress over here in this color first in leather, and then in this darker brown in leather, and I did this color right here. Then for the necklace, I used these from Codes in this color in matte. Did I use something else? Oh, I did use a code item. Okay, let's just get the necklace first. In this color in matte for all of it. Lastly, I used this item. It's a prize item actually, not a code item. This one in layer. Colored it the first one the same, I think. Oh, I did this first. And then colored the second one this in leather, if I'm not mistaken. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.